Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable a super dark mode on your iPhone. If you find the regular dark mode and not dark enough, this simple setting can make your screen even easier on eyes, especially at night. So first of all, you need to open the settings app on your iPhone. Over here, simply scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the option of accessibility. Inside accessibility, you just have to look for the option that says display and text size. Inside display and text size, you just have to scroll down and then look for the option of reduce white point. As you can see, it is the second last option in this list. So turn this toggle button on. As soon as you do this, you will see this type of slider in front of you. If you increase the percentage to dim bright colors and intense whites, the higher you set it, the darker your screen becomes, as you can see here on the screen. Here is what this setting actually does. Instead of just switching the colors like dark mode, it reduces the intensity of bright elements across the entire display that creates a much deeper and softer dark appearance. You can also enable the dark mode. So when both the settings work together, your iPhone achieves the super dark mode. So this is especially useful for the night usage, reading in the low light or reducing eye strain. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.